everyone, this is Miss Joelle for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you some shortcuts in SpeedGrader on Canvas. So if you come over to your Canvas gradebook, you select the assignment that you would like to grade, and you can get to the SpeedGrader a few different ways, but I'm going to do it with these three dots. I'm opening up my SpeedGrader. And now once you're in SpeedGrader, as long as you have not clicked on anything, you can go to the next student by pressing the letter J. So you'll see now the next student has popped up. If I want to go back to the previous student, I can click the letter K, and that'll take me back to the next student. I can also select the letter C if I want to add a comment. So now I'm all ready to type in the comment box. However, obviously, if I now try to click to go to the next student, it's going to type in here. So you have to make sure that you are clicked out of the comment box. So now if I would like to, I could go to the next student or the previous student. And then I'm going to click the letter G, and that's going to drop me right here in the grade box. So again, if I click another letter, it's not going to work now because I'm in the grade box, but as long as I click out of it, I can get to whatever I need to go to. So that's J for next student, K for previous student, C for comment, and G for grade. Hope that's helpful.